In this video, I will show you how to connect monday.com to Google Calendar. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from Guidewise. Open monday.com and go to one of your workspaces. I will go to my project workflow workspace. You then need to go to your deadline. Toggle your mouse over it and you will see 3 dots. Select that, choose settings, customize date column, and scroll down to sync column to calendar. You will find Google Calendar and other calendars. Select sync by Google Calendar. You are then given options. Which items would you like to sync? Items assigned to me or all items on this board. So I will choose items assigned to me, select sync, then choose an account to sync to, select continue. When it has completed, your Google Calendar is now synced to monday.com. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.